Hanji Palwan ki haal chal, welcome back to another video. So I have created a backtracking problem using Python, and in this I have described 10 states of India, and basically no two consecutive states can have the same color, but if they're not the neighboring states, they could have the same color. That's basically backtracking, how it works, and I'll explain everything in this program. So basically, first we have a function of states. It's not a function, it's a dictionary that contains all the 10 states, like Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana, and inside we have the two neighboring states, and these two neighboring states cannot have the same, same color. So for the first, we have a function called validity. For the backtracking, I have the function called colored states, and last, the main thing that solves the problem, else it prints no solution. So starting with, firstly I'll explain there are states here that we're gonna use to explain the problem, and here I have the colors red, gray, brown, and white that's gonna associate with the neighboring states. So how it works is the list of colors can be used to define no two consecutive states can have the same colors. So that's why we have colors assigned to two states are same, but on the other hand we can see that those are not the neighboring states, so they are not every neighboring state would have the same color. That's what I want to explain it. So next we have a function that's called validity. So it checks whether the current color Y assigned rightly to the current state without violating the constraints. So the next thing I would explain is here we have that's the value for the color that's gonna be assigned. So for every value of X in that value, basically a dictionary is created, and Y basically defines the color to the current state. So the function basically loops through the neighboring states and checks the value of X that already has color and Y, and then it returns a boolean value, right? Checks the color, returns boolean value true or false. So next we come to backtracking. Now here comes the major part. This function is used to assign colors using backtracking algorithm. It works in a way that it checks if it assigned value is valid. If it's not valid, it backtracks and goes back to the value till we get an answer as a true. And this tells about the length of the states, length function. And last but not least, I have the function called answer. It basically tells about the colors and helps to print the result for the function colored state, starting with the first state at index equals to 0. If a solution is found, it prints the assigned value. If it's not, it prints no solution. So overall, backtracking algorithm basically helps us to explore all the colors that are available in a colored list. So if it violates the constraint, it backtracks and tries to use a different color until the loop is valid, or it provides no solution. And here you can also see the colors that are assigned, like Punjab and Tamil Nadu. They're not the neighboring states, so they can have the same color, whereas Telangana Odisha, they are the neighboring states, so they will have the different color. So this is how it works.